Back to the channel. It's a midweek workshop. It's actually Saturday afternoon. So yesterday we were out in the snow again with the Jeep after our motorbike ride, which has went unbelievable. The views and the comments. Thanks everyone. Yeah, my nut job, I know, going out in that. Anyway, we're just going to finish off that headlight repair. So what headlight repair? Well, you need to watch the next clip I film. We have a mechanical. Look at my light. My glass is falling out. Can fix that quickly. We'll do that. I'll still have a brew up, remember? There you go. Right, I'll grab a hold of this drone when he comes back. Down it comes. We'll just open up this headlight. There's the lens just falling out. Hope I've not lost the clips for it. There we go. Brilliant. Right, let's crack on and get this done. Didn't expect anything like this today. So we have to take this one screw out. The quickest thing to do is just unconnect that cable. Now you don't want to drop that screw. You're not going to find it again. Just leave that on the battery. So they're in, but the lens is out. See that? So obviously it's just rattled out. These are a pain, these things. Absolute pain. I think though what is with mine is they're that worn now. I could have left it till I got home, but the problem being then there's a chance you break your bulb or it knackers the bulb. Let's clean that inside. Okay, so obviously there's a top and bottom. Now here's the problem I've got with mine. Can you see what's going wrong with it? It's actually the rim's worn. So what we need to do, that goes in up the way, yeah. Get everything in line first. Top is there. Right, that's the lens on the right angle. That needs turned the slightest bit. And these go in like so. This is like a day at the seaside in the old days with the old British cars, and Grandpa would take the kids to the beach, and then when Granny was on the beach with the kids, Grandad would have the bonnet up fixing the old banger car, eh? British engineering and that. So we actually have a spare clip, which is fine. We'll just stick that on anyway. Put one on the top, because that one doesn't look that strong. Slight tweak on that. See, that one's not in. Really hear all the jets up today with the high pressure. So if you watch the telly, all the news is all terrible about all this weather, and you can go out and find it's absolutely beautiful It's a shame for the people with flooding though, always is. Right, just click this back in. That's it, top's right up. Managed to put it on pretty straight. Not going to drop this. So you notice that screw's got a little point on it. It's a sort of screw bolt, isn't it? It's normally threaded like a bolt. I just realised I've put it on upside down. Ah, annoying. When you come back off, come back, what I need to do is spin it round. Top should be underneath, remember, because it's upside down. So when I do that, the light's now the wrong way round. Typical, isn't it? Right. I'll edit yous out here. And come back when I'm done, okay? See, you do get to see the mistakes as well in my films. It's real world. It's real world. Okay, so top has to go there. So there you go, it's a lot easier to remember. Put your top to your screw hole, yeah? And then you put this on with that on the top. Like so. Okay, that's it all in the right way. Oh, just got to make sure your lens is right in though. I think I need to buy a new one of these rims, don't I? Because as it is, it's not very good. Ah, right. Persevere, Bruce. I'm going to start and stop this because I'm more worried about the battery. Okay, that's us done. So just turn that round, that's fine. If it comes out again, I'll just need to really look at buying another rim or trying to get it built up somehow. I really hate having to buy replacement stuff because most of it is absolute garbage. Okay, let's just check that works. Yep, we're on. So we had a bit of the lens is basically dropping out of my lights because this is all worn on. So they're moving. So I did it with this one. It's siliconed in, and the Jeep is filthy after being out. This one I'm just going to do. So obviously there's extra clips on this. So just let you see there. See this rim? It's all worn. I don't see the point in buying a new one because I bet it'll be some crap from overseas. Even though this is a French overseas Jeep. So all we're going to do is just put this stuff in because we'll never need to hopefully take these to bits, and if we do, it might be a bit of fun with these on. Got this in it anyway. In other news, I got my D-clips. Remember I was talking about D-clips? Give me a second. So that is so easy to use or apply rather, being in tube with the gun. Okay, there you go. So that stuff is good. It's so cold. It's 1.2 degrees right now. Last night was the coldest day, and it's to start getting mild tomorrow. So I'm doing this today so the Jeep's finished. Okay, that's done. We'll get that back on. Other news, British Army issue torch, and this was only £6. Do I need any more torches? No. Do you want more torches? Yes. Oh, I don't actually. I just seen it when I was ordering bits and bobs. I'm guessing it's normal. 88, yeah. 2 or 3? 2, that's fine. You just can't have enough torches when you're out and about in the winter. I've worked it out. It's that. So it switches on and off, and then you can change it. Green light, red light. Huh, that's handy. Anyway, there you go, another light. D-clips, the tool. So this is the company, J. Clark Marine, and you can see they do all fitting. It's for boats mostly. Obviously you get your tarps that go on your small boats. So this is the tool. I'm going to put a video link underneath in the description for this chap's company, and he sells his shop's also on Facebook, on eBay, which is where I got it. And there's the clips, see? So if you have a look, they're same as that, shiny, but it doesn't matter. So what it means is I can put the female or males where I want, and then for along the bottom of here they'll go on. I'll probably drill them and rivet them on. I'll get some stainless steel rivets. I meant to order them and I didn't. Other news, finally that's arrived as well, which obviously go on there. You know, everything's a different colour, isn't it? Train time, choo choo. So like so, yeah, that'll be out of the way because that'll be fastened. High beam, there you go. So along with that we have the 12-volt takeoff, which also has the plug for your phones and GoPros, etc. So I see I've got another battery out there. We'll put that on there. I've got to make 2 of these up and a bar, and then that'll go on there, wired up onto the other battery, including this will be inside the glove box, and then we can wire this in as well. So Alistair will wire this up for me. He'll probably end up putting another fuse box on here for me that I can then just add everything to as I need it. And so yeah, that's not too bad. It's the outer rim is worn on this light. So we'll put this back in, we'll put some Loctite on that, and that'll keep it nice and tight. Thread's not brilliant on that, but it'll be okay. So anyway, that's enough of that. Don't want the film going too long. Other news, I got some U-clamps, 1-inch diameter, which will fit on my engine bar. So I'll make a bracket out of cardboard, computer aided design, you see, cardboard aided design, it is. That'll go in there and hold that blackout light I got. And the other 2 ones I'm going to put on my cross off here, because this is broken, this alloy thing. So if I put 2 of them on either side, and I'll put a bit of bar across to strengthen that up. Proper in the field repair. Well, in the shed repair, but you know what I mean. So there you go folks. Now I'm not touching anything else steel today because it's so cold. Folk tell you to get an oil filled heater and all this and that. You can't heat sectional garages, you're just wasting your time. Because they have sealing in, like foam sealing the edges, but they need to breathe these sheds. or end up just soaking with condensation. So anyway, that's enough of that. Quick repair. So Wednesday night film, made it the weekend. Alright, thanks again, and thank you again all the new subscribers. Looks like our channel's starting to move again. It's started to slow down a bit. Anyway, thank you, see you soon, bye for now.